If I wasn't a lawyer, I'd be a pilot.
We're on a plane and the plane is quiet, and Ryan was like, did you know most planes crash on takeoff and landing? And everyone was like, it's like 6 in the morning, everyone's like, is that a threat?
It should be comforting, because I speak the truth.
We're not off the ground yet.
Past 4 minutes past takeoff, and it's like 4 minutes past takeoff, and it's like 11 minutes before landing. Like, other than that, like, planes, like, statistically never crash. I mean, there was that thing in China that went down, like, head first at 30,000 feet, and there was that Air France crash over, like, over the Atlantic. Those were 2, like, fluky ones.
Like,
but
the captain's like, boom, seatbelts off. Like, it's like we are accelerating, the plane is vibrating, the world is uncertain in that moment. And Ryan's like, you know what'd be fun? Let's talk about dying right now.
Generally, dying in a plane crash isn't all that bad.
Have you done it?
Like, no, but the cabin loses pressurization, you lose consciousness, and then you're dead.
Yeah, can we talk about that social construct for a minute? Like how every single person who sits in an exit row is a liar. Sir, do you agree to be Captain America in the case of an unplanned emergency event? Like, you know how you operate that situation? Oh, yes, I solemnly swear. It's like, that plane is on fire. They are the first ones out the door. That's why they sat there.
They sat there for leg room, Andrew. Nobody thinks the plane is actually gonna crash.
I mean, except for you in takeoff and landing.
No, I love flying.